28th
says
of
trade deal with the UK brings
July.
the US.
Let me just.
Again, so trade deal with the UK brings us closer together.
28th of July 2025. Trap trader here. This time live. I decided to go live. Let's see how it goes. Whether you'll be interested to watch this crap or not. Whether you will be interested to watch my gambling. Or maybe I will gamble a bit less when everybody is watching. So we had a deal, US had a deal with Europe over the weekend, and market is reacting positively for that. You know, everybody loves this. What else do we have? We don't have anything for today scheduled in the calendar. Let's just bring the calendar. But we're gonna have a very, very busy week. Today, nothing in the calendar, but we got the news.
We have
So
another video from The Hill, which has much better audio.
but we got the news. Yeah, it's a positive. Stock futures show small gain as US and EU trade deal kicks off. Hectic week for the markets. It's going to be a hectic week. Because on Tuesday we have JOLTS, job openings. On Wednesday, ADP non-farm employment change. We got GDP. We got a FMOC statement. So the federal fund rate will be decided as well on Wednesday. It's a huge day at 2 p.m. They might cut it, they might not cut it. We'll see what they're gonna do. Thursday we have unemployment claims. And Friday, the last but not least, unemployment rate, non-farm payroll. Sorry, non-farm employment change. ISM manufacturing. It's just this week is loaded with stuff. So expect a lot of volatility. Okay, so what do we see today? This is, what's that? That's RTH. Yeah, I want to see RTH here as well. Weekly high, ES, Nasdaq. I trade one of them during the day. What else do we see here? So overnight we gapped up on ES and Nasdaq. The gap, the push is based on the deal with the European Union. So we should expect some sort of positive reaction. And I'm using volume profile as well for my trading. So what I would like to see to get involved is if ES gets down somewhere here, possibly down here, and then starts to react and go up. We got some trapped shorts up here. The similar thing is with Nasdaq. If we would open right now, we'll be gapping up. So I'm gonna be looking for closing this gap, possibly down into this volume profile from Friday, and then reversal. So we have trapped liquidity. Well, it starts here, but it's not a lot of liquidity. But we do have a little bit of liquidity. Let me just get the fucking I use Bookmap as well for looking where the liquidity is. So at the moment, market is trying to push high as 525 and 530 on Nasdaq. But this can change, everything can change once we open. So I would like to get involved somewhere here with the long position, and we're going to be waiting for that. Or yes, get long somewhere here in this area. that's it. That's the plan. That's the plan for the day. I already placed my 2 orders here, waiting for that. I like to buy immediately once we hit liquidity. There's always reaction. So
Stock NQ sell.
okay, 3 o'clock. Market is pulling. 3 o'clock here, but it's 9 o'clock in New York. So yeah, that's the plan. See how it goes. Got half an hour till open. I could actually take a short towards the low, but probably better to wait.
Trump says smaller nuclear plants are interesting.
Trump is meeting with Keir Starmer, British Prime Minister.
Hello everybody, this is Donald J. Trump. Yeah, it's really me. And I'm gonna do a little advert for Financial Juice. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Can you believe it? Instead of a 67% tariff, you get a discount.
Well, look at the
Sweet
dump.
NQ sellers. Stock NQ sell.
Look at that dump. Should I chase this?
My hands are bigger. What are you waiting for? Come on, do it.
Should I chase that? Let's wait for some sort of pullback or retracement. Oh my god. If this is too flat, they need to take the liquidity. The London sell side here. It's way
Trump
too
says
flat.
that I'm going to be going to Aberdeen, the oil capital of Europe.
Switch to 5 here. I got the plan. It does look like market wants to drop.
Trump on Russia says I'm going to make a new deadline for about 10 or 12 days from today. We're seeing movement towards the upside on WTI again.
NQ
Trump
buyers.
says on Russia I'm
Absorption
going to make a
NQ
new
sellers.
deadline for about 10 or 12 days from today.
Sweep NQ
Doesn't
sellers.
doesn't allow me
Absorption
to get
NQ
in.
buyers.
No retracement, nothing. I need some sort of retracement somewhere here into this fair value
Trump
gap,
on Russia says we just
so I
don't
can
see
get
any
involved on the
progress
short
being
side into this bearish fair value gap, but we'll see if we're gonna get that or not.
So Trump on Russia deadline says there's no reason in waiting.
Pretty empty up here. Maybe 500 could be played. I think I'm gonna get involved somewhere here at 500
Iceberg and Q
before
cell.
the open. Hmm. We have liquidity up to 450 from what I see. So that's pretty much where we want market to go anyway. We want Nasdaq to go. Yeah, it could go to this POC here, value area high or POC. He has got to break that, continue lower. So now question is how to get involved in this with the minimum risk. So I need some kind of retracement up here. Or we might not get it. Yeah. There you go. Taking the sell side. That's a London loss, I said. Let's just update that. So the trade is over. I mean, I'm not gonna be, because we took that on both sides. Yeah, it's N and Q. So you don't want to be involved right now on a short. They have completed the move. So I'm probably gonna wait for the open.
PayPal says pay with crypto decreases deal costs by up to 90%.
$75 is waiting, but I think we're gonna get some kind of pullback. I mean, retracement. Yeah, the main trade that I'm looking for today is this. When market drops into this area of trap liquidity. That's the settlement price at 47, so we might even go down to this 47. Yeah, that's the settlement OES as well. 428. Somewhere here. Bounce. Could be 10 o'clock. Can be just straight at the open. We'll see.
Stop ES cell.
Got trap liquidity up here as well.
Stop NQ cell.
these overnight buyers. They got trapped. Market structure shift here.
Brent crude rising 2.7% to above $70 as Trump says he is reducing the for today deadline for Russia over Ukraine war. Trump says if Iran starts nuclear again, we'll wipe it out fast. And according to sources, OPEC plus JMMC meeting has begun. Trump says Iran has been sending out nasty signals.
19 minutes still open. Yeah, we are dumping. Even lower right now. 55, so let's just move that. $60.55 and I 450. $450.
Iceberg and QCell.
He has just started that. Let me check what ES is doing. Okay, he has just touched this value area high from Friday, almost. Could reverse, but still have 15 minutes to open. Yes, has got a lot of liquidity to go lower. I see 30, 27, 25. So got liquidity. Let's just put that here. Actually, we can put this here. 27, 30. 25 even.
Stock
Trump says we'll be
ESL.
announcing pharma tariffs in the very near future.
Got liquidity up till here.
According to the Politico, EU's $600 billion US investment to come from the private sector.
I will also use volume profile and
So further
footprint, so
detail
I
in
have a
this
footprint
article
on the
that
left
European
side here.
Union has admitted it doesn't have
Nasdaq.
the power to deliver on a
This
promise
is
to invest $600
cumulative
billion
delta.
in the US economy only hours after making the pledge.
It shows me
The
aggressive
landmark
buyers
trade
and
agreement
aggressive
with
sellers.
Congress.
So in this case, we got
The third
sellers
article says that's
selling
because the cash
aggressively.
will come entirely from the private sector investment, over which Brussels has no authority, according to EU officials saying that there. Trump, going back to the headlines, says that we want to be making pharma ourselves, and we will be dealing with the UK on pharma.
So we had that liquidity here. trend at 55 and 50 on Nasdaq. $60, 55, actually 55. Okay, market is rebouncing. Got some buyers coming in. It's very empty Nasdaq right now. No liquidity at all up here, unless they want to go to 530. But I don't think so. I'll switch to 2 minutes just to watch this more careful with details. It's technically the area that I am interested. This is where the volume profile starts. If you look here, that's where the volume area high is. That's POC here at 47, 46. Yeah, we'll see. 15 more minutes until open. So I'm looking at those poor buyers up there. I got just excited and started to buy yesterday at night. They're not feeling too happy.
Trump says, I can't imagine UK censoring Truth Social.
Okay, liquid just came in at 490. I can actually move this now because we are still in London session. Yeah, it does look like there is some interest, but patience. So I'm starting a new combine. I was trading the wrong account on Friday when I made $1,200, $1,150. So I'm starting a new one. We'll try to pass this week.
According to delegates, OPEC plus GMMC ends with no policy recommendation. Trump on Russia says we're going to do secondary sanctions unless we make a deal. we might make a deal, you don't know. It's against Trump on Russia saying, we might make a deal, you don't know. Also keep an eye on stocks. Europe 600 autos extends decline down 1.3%.
I'll just bring this ES as well here, so
Well, it's me again. It's Donald J. Frickin' Trump, okay? And if you're sick and tired of hearing my voice in this ad, which is pretty sad, all you've got to do is go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Beautiful, big, huge discount. So what are you waiting for? Come on, do it.
OPEC Plus JMMC reiterates the critical importance of achieving full conformity. Trump on Russia says we will confirm new Russia deadline tonight or tomorrow. OPEC Plus JMMC to meet next on October 1st.
we're basically waiting for the open. Let's talk about the plan. The plan is pretty simple. We had a good news during the weekend. US made a deal with the European Union. Quite positive for US. Zero tariff on pretty much everything with the European Union, so market reacted positively. We got trapped longs up here in Asia session. We're getting down. We do have trapped short here from Friday. So what I'm waiting for is to get down into this area at the open. Nasdaq into maybe this value area low. Sorry, value area high from Friday. We do have a little bit of liquidity to go down there. 70, 65, 60, 55.
Stop ES sell.
Down to 450. So I'm thinking we might get down there. I already placed my order and waiting for that to happen.
Iceberg and Q sell.
This might happen before the
Iceberg
open,
and Q sell.
and at the open we might be targeting this high as a first target, but yeah, that will be the trade. If I can get involved here, if I can buy here, then I'm going to be selling up here and maybe adding on the way up, but I need to see liquidity for that. So simple plan. What can possibly go wrong, right? Lovely drop down ES. We still have liquidity on ES at 425, so technically we could dip in there. I might actually drop a limit buy on ES here. Let's just go with 5 contract MES 27
Iceberg and Q
25.
sell.
Yeah, settlement is around, where's settlement? Settlement is this line here. This is POC and that's a settlement. Dotted line. It's 28, 28, 25. 28, 25. We almost got there. But let me move this to London low. London sell side, which we are basically pushing. $26. I see 26. 26 will be okay. 27, 26, 25. There is obviously liquidity at 20 as well. That's why I'm not going too big on that. Got 2 minutes. 2 minutes till open.
One minute to go now to begin the market on open imbalance data.
$450 waiting. Let's try to get involved in front of it. This trade is basically it's based on volume profile, which is trapped here.
Trump on the Fed says they have to cut rates.
Same here. Should drop like we are doing it right now. Hit that and pump
10
it up.
seconds to the market on open imbalance data.
All right, market is open. There
Order
you go.
filled.
I'm in.
Stop ES sell.
Trump says on Fed, we're doing well even without rate cut.
So
Market
I
on
got
open
in
imbalance,
on
S&P
ES.
500 sell side 123 million, Nasdaq 100 sell side 14.3 million, Dow 30 sell side 25.5 million,
Nasdaq's
buy
down.
side 1 million. Trump on Fed says with the rate cut we'll be doing better.
Stop NQ sell.
So I'm
Absorption
gonna play
NQ sellers.
yes.
Iceberg NQ sell.
Stop us break even. Nasdaq is pumping. Yes, has got liquidity. I'll
Trump
switch.
asks if Fed should cut
switch
rates
to
this week. He
NQ.
says, I think it has to.
MNQ.
Stop ES sell.
Still going low, I think.
Absorption NQ buyers.
It's just this platform is so slow. I'm using Top Step. Yeah, so limit by 5. If I'm stopped, I wanna buy lower, but look at that. Oh, there you go. If I'm stopped, I wanna buy with something lower. 25, 20. And I will probably scalp Nasdaq. Yeah. Yes, it's got a lot of liquidity higher, which is great. That means that we could go to 42, 42, 45,
Stop ES buy.
42, 45, which is up there. Nasdaq has got liquidity at 500. Both of indices took London sell side. Nasdaq pumping. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with that buy. Now we just claim the London low. claimed it back, at least for now. Hopefully we're not gonna dip lower. Probably should give a little bit more space. Somewhere here. Let me check where the liquidity is on 25. Yeah, 25, 27, 25, 27. So yeah, I'm pretty good, pretty safe here.
Iceberg NQ sell. Absorption NQ sellers. Stop NQ
Trying
buy.
to squeeze through this fair value gap, which is bearish. Yeah, it does look like wants to reverse. Yes, a little bit behind. It is because of a lot of liquidity. It's just stuck up here, but once they go for it, up to 25, 35. Yeah, up to 35. They just need to claim this high, jump above that high. ES needs to go up here, and then we're gonna go. If they go down and take me out, I want to be a buyer a bit lower. 25, 27, somewhere here. We have liquidity at 25. So I want to be a buyer down here again.
Trump on Russia says, I'm not so interested in talking to Putin anymore. Trump says he envisioned a lot of trade with Russia.
Yeah. This trade is based on trapped liquidity. From Friday. Should give probably like a little space, like one tick or something. Can you move it?
Stop NQ sell. Stop ES sell.
I like Nasdaq.
Trump touts Russian rare
On the
earths
buy
as a
side now.
potential trade product.
Okay, it looks
Order
like
filled.
it looks like we're gonna go down.
Stop ES sell.
Are you gonna get
Order
me in?
filled.
Yeah, I'm in. I'm in. Just bought it. Something is wrong with the platform again. pressed buy. And I didn't get the buy yet.
Order filled.
Oh shit, now I'm 6. It's alright. Okay, so ES took liquidity second time down there. I like that.
Order filled.
Just gonna reduce a little bit. Okay, Nasdaq is getting ready for action. That's pretty good. That is pretty good now. Okay, how far can we go on Nasdaq? 510, 550. 550. It's 42 past. Got a 15-minute top up here. And we have a 15-minute top up there. So technically speaking, we could attack this high. Let's play a stop loss here. Let's put a target. This platform is so slow today. I would like to get a runner on ES. I would like to get some kind of reversal. They tried twice into this liquidity. They pulled a lot. Oh, hopefully we're just gonna reverse now and go up here. Hopefully that's what's gonna happen. But 44, 45. Nasdaq is going. Lovely. Stop was break even on Nasdaq. It's always the most difficult part, just to turn around. Once we push above this, yeah, we got this MSS, so market structure shift, this trap liquidity, and that trap liquidity here as well.
Stop ES buy.
I could actually do this like that. Nah, like this. So there will be a little bit of resistance from here.
NQ buy. Sweep NQ buyers.
Okay, we're sweeping that 15 minute. Should get a continuation towards that. Break even on ES.
Stocks Europe 600 index erases early gains to trade flat.
Meta up, Netflix up, Tesla trying to go higher.
Iceberg NQ sell. Stop ES sell.
Got this 520 waiting.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
add here. $520, $530. That should be hit. Come on.
Trump on China says we're going to be setting a tariff for the rest of the world, and that's what they have to pay.
It's looking really good because that candle is like 3,700 delta. So if we can hold that, should get a push towards this 520.
Trump on China says that we will love to see them opening up their country.
If we drop lower on ES, I'm gonna buy again. ES has to
Sweep and
push
few
into
sellers.
this 15-minute top.
Order filled.
Oh, look at that.
Order filled. The market is open.
The fuck they did to me, man. Not a nasty drop. Where the drop comes from. And I'm up $200. I don't get it. Look at it. Yes, has got some liquidity. Yeah, looks like I overstayed my welcome up there. I want to get involved one more time, but I think we're gonna go lower now because we still have liquidity on the ES. We still have liquidity up to 20. So So 10 o'clock is in 10 minutes. Market likes to. Okay, I think I'm gonna play short side now on Nasdaq. This is pretty
Order
good entry
filled.
here for Nasdaq.
Sweep NQ buyers. Absorption NQ sellers.
It looks like we're getting a bit heavier. So I could just retest that week. Got 490, 65. For 9065, so
Order
God
filled.
damn it. God damn it. Nasdaq. They wake me up from both sides.
Order
Try
filled.
one more time. Because they have delivered that up here now. No. Okay. I probably 10 o'clock in 8 minutes. Ah, that's long. Maybe. Usually test that week one more time. But probably not now. Definitely not
Order
now.
filled.
Okay. So I was robbed here. Happens sometimes. The ES still looks like wants to go higher. 25, we did hit the 24, 25. Could be now, actually.
Order filled.
Yep.
Order filled.
Let's play this to the downside now. Yes, it's got liquidity lower. $20 even 20. That one was Nasdaq to continue. Come on, Nasdaq. I might just go down here to this. $500 maximum, I think. Yes, I've got a lot of liquidity, down to 20 actually. So let's see if we're gonna get there. Yes, it's pulling market lower. Yeah,
Absorption NQ sellers. Absorption NQ buyers. Iceberg NQ sell.
are you gonna take me up now?
Iceberg NQ sell. Absorption NQ sellers. Stop NQ buy. Iceberg NQ sell.
$10 in 30 seconds. They like to sweep 10 o'clock bottom, so yes, probably is going to do it. They should pull market lower on NQ as well. No.
Sweep NQ sellers.
Trump says world tariff would be somewhere
Stop
in
NQ
15
buy.
to 20% range.
Okay. Looks like I got outmaneuvered.
Spot gold falls 1%.
Hello, everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. Yeah, it's really me. And I'm gonna do a little advert for Financial Juice. You're behind the markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase.
Order filled.
Yeah, got outmaneuvered.
67% on a subscription. Can you believe it?
Limit buy. This is gonna go now.
Tariff, you get a discount. It's huge. Very, very big.
We wanna
Order
buy this.
filled.
As big as my hands. Well, not as big as my hands. My hands are big.
That's the target.
What are you waiting for? Come on, do it.
Unfortunately,
Trump says
this
he will
fucking
make
week
road,
took me
steel,
out.
and aluminum.
Alright. Going to be playing longs like we had planned.
Order
Got
filled.
liquidity up to 590. Sorry, 540. So let's go long, man. Let's go long. Let's scalp this thing.
China mission to the EU says some EU Parliament members have seriously violated the One China principle and grossly interfered in China's internal affairs. China mission to the EU says China firmly opposes any formal of official exchanges between the European Parliament and the Taiwan authorities.
Now it's pulling. Oh, it's fucking pulling, man. Okay, yes, it's pushing, so we should get a little bit of.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
get a bit more here.
According to a poll here, gold is seen averaging $3,220 an ounce this year, up from $3,065 an ounce in the previous poll. And gold is seen averaging $3,400 an ounce in 2026, and silver is seen averaging $38 an ounce.
I want
in
to see it push
2026,
to
again, according to a poll.
530. Let's go.
Stop ES buy. Stop ES buy. Stop ES buy.
We're gonna take something from here. Up there.
Order filled. Order filled.
Stop ES buy.
Order filled.
And Trump ends remarks to reporters.
We have to push for this 520 something, 25. Let's see if ES is able to do it. Very unlucky on that drop here. It just out of nowhere came out. $10.07. Yeah, looks like we're getting push.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
add for the 2025. Let's see if we can squeeze. So I'm playing this, direction. It was a really good entry at the open, We just got stopped. They fucking wicked me out. That's fine.
Stop
We
NQ
can hold
buy.
it and play this for the second leg up. A second leg up would be up here. Okay, we are pushing for 25. I like that.
Stop NQ buy.
Come on, Nasdaq, let's go. Ferry is waiting.
Canadian Prime Minister Carney says trade talks with the US are at an intense phase.
Free 30. Really? So the plan is pretty much
Carney says any
Just
trade
like
deal
we
with
were
the US must
discussing
be on
before
fair
the
terms
open.
for Canada.
It's just didn't expect that fucking drop. And then I made a mistake by chasing it down. Just stay on the buy side. Just stay on the buy side. 40. I want to get it. Just stay on the buy side.
Stop ES sell.
This is they can touch this view up, so I need to
Iceberg NQ buy.
to make
Absorption
space for
NQ
it.
buyers. Stop NQ sell.
10 past. That was 10 o'clock, right?
Stop
Make
ES
some
sell.
space. I wanna get
Order
more.
filled.
There's no liquidity down here. There's somebody at 500, but I think we're gonna climb back up.
Order filled.
Market already.
Order filled.
Oh god damn it! They
Stop
fucking
NQ
stopped
sell.
me again.
Order filled.
Jesus. This fucking Nasdaq has got so much movement. So much movement. Just preparing for the second leg up.
Order filled.
That's what they're doing right now. To attack this high and continue up. Direction is it's bullish. Nice pullback. Should have taken some sort of profits earlier. But 530 is waiting. And 540 and 45. Yeah, once we go through that, we're going up there. Yeah, it's just holding really. No.
Prime Minister Carney reiterates that a US trade deal without any tariffs is not likely. Carney says that there's
Order
a question
filled.
as to how large those tariffs will
Ending
be.
because we're gonna take that high.
Stop ES buy. Stop
Let's go,
ES
baby.
buy.
Let's go. ES is already pumping. $530. Could sell something at $530. Sell 10. Someone is selling at 520. Which I do not like.
Carney, asked about Trump's comments about difficulty of negotiating deal with Canada, said yes, we are difficult, but we are fighting for Canada.
Squeezing through. through that. What are you doing? Somebody's adding a 20. Roadblock. We have to push for this 20. Okay. Almost. God damn it. Okay.
Order filled.
Something is not right. Had to take it. They're stocking up here. Obviously, ES is exactly at the place where it's, trap liquidity from overnight could potentially start selling down to minus 150. I still need to get involved very quickly on the buy side because they might just pull a little bit, quickly drop and come back up. Okay, I'm in.
Order filled.
I still want to be in. I still want to play the longs. Yeah, they did pull. They might attack again at top. Let's wait for the new candle to open. I'm watching ES.
Order filled.
This is
Order
still
filled.
long. It's just a pullback really now.
Order filled.
That's all.
Order filled.
It's 520. Somebody was selling. Should try one more time. Okay, buyers are stepping in.
At 10:30 Eastern Time, we have the American Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index, prior minus 12.70.
Stop NQ sell.
Order filled.
Okay, 21 past. Got nine minutes in this rotation, and then possibly pump.
Stop NQ sell.
Order
Stop
filled.
ES sell.
But Nasdaq is just waking you 10 times before it goes.
Stop ES
God
sell.
damn it!
Order
Stop
filled.
ES sell. Stop
Order
NQ
filled.
sell.
Get in one
Sweep
more time.
NQ sellers.
Jesus. So much chop. So much chop.
Order filled.
Unbelievable. Are we gonna get that lift off or not? Just gonna
Iceberg
sell
Order
NQ
something.
filled.
sell. Absorption NQ sellers. Stop NQ buy.
Eventually we'll take that 520 and then we're gonna rip. So we'll get that 520 and 30 and we'll rip it up. They have been loading up a lot of liquid. I mean they bought so many times down here.
In 5 minutes' time, we'll have the Dallas Fed Manufacturing Business Index, forecast minus 9.5, previous minus 12.70. According to Chile's EMO, Chile Finance Minister expects copper tariff exemption.
Let's go up. Need to push through this 505. Got 4 more minutes on this rotation.
Order
We're gonna
filled.
add here.
Order filled.
Let's go up. 4 more minutes. Should push up there. Fucking hell, look at that, man. Look at Nasdaq. The fuck is Nasdaq doing? No, I don't want it. What a beautiful squeeze. I wish I had something. This Nasdaq is crazy, honestly. Wish I had that order there earlier. Oh, we should go up there. The second time. Come on, let's go. God damn it. What are you doing? No way.
One minute to go.
Got some news.
Well, it's me again. It's Donald J. Frickin' Trump, okay? And if you're sick and tired of hearing my voice in this ad, which is pretty sad, all you've got to do is go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Beautiful, big, huge discount. So what are you waiting for? Come on, do it.
Ten seconds.
I think I have to trade like this. Every time this thing just drops. It's just ridiculous, honestly.
Still waiting for the
They
big
still should go higher because like he has tested this
0.90,
resistance. They couldn't go higher, they
higher
dropped, they
than
bought it again.
9.5.
Now they're gonna continue. And Nasdaq should do the same thing. I just hope I'm not gonna be stopped, but just 5 of 5, somebody's still trying to push this lower. No way, man, no fucking way. This has to go up. I need to give some space for this. This needs to go up, man. after that week. Come on, attack the high. And they did attack the high, but they didn't take the high yet. So let's go. It's time.
Stop ES sell.
95 waiting to buy again. Let's go, baby. Pump it.
Stop ES sell.
Order filled.
Tired, man. I'm tired of this thing. Yes, it's just pulling even lower.
Order
We're gonna
filled.
get in one more time. Nasdaq 10. Yes, dipping, but Nasdaq is kind of holding that level. So I'm thinking
Order
we're gonna
filled.
attack the high actually. After that pullback. Yes.
Order filled.
So how many
Order
times you
filled.
can dip in there? Into what? $37 past. So we are in the middle of the range of the 15-minute. Okay, 95 is waiting.
Order filled.
We get involved there, 95 as well.
Order filled.
There you go.
Order filled.
Full 20. Now up. There's no reason to go lower. We've been here already. Twice. 3 times. Time to attack this high. Same with the years. Okay, rotation. Okay, 38, so we got 7 minutes for that 15-minute rotation. Hopefully that's enough for them to push this into 11 o'clock. I just got unlucky here. It's worth to put something, you know, like just have something on Nasdaq. Because sometimes you get hit like this. Sometimes you just get hit like that. Cool. We're going.
Order filled.
Thai acting Prime Minister says we will have tariff negotiations with the US.
We are going now.
Order filled.
Finally. We got the squeeze. View up. Like a first stop. God damn it, somebody's stepping in front of it again. Unbelievable.
Just to let you know that we've posted the Dallas Fed Manufacturing
Absorption
Business
NQ
Index
sellers.
July 2025 report on the feed for you to have a look.
Order
Okay, we
filled.
sold 10. Squeeze, 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 squeeze. Let's go to this 520. That is looking good now. We got some volume. We got some volume. Let's go to this 520 now. I'm gonna hit market order.
Order filled.
5 out. Stop loss break even. Stop loss break even. 520. Let's see if we can get that. Ooh, deep pullback. I think they hit that 15-minute. Let's quickly switch to 15-minute. No, they didn't. They did not. 15-minute is up here. How about ES? ES 15-minute is up there. So we still have chance to squeeze into this level. I would like to get a runner. Good runner. I would like to get a good runner on this. Five, 7. Got 15 more minutes till 11 o'clock. It doesn't look like a
Order filled.
yeah. They came and took me out. Interesting. Are we going lower then? No. Let's check here's liquidity. Yeah, they tried second time and we're supposed to go, to be honest, and we're not doing it. So that's pretty bearish. That is pretty bearish, if you ask me. That is pretty bearish. $95. So they want to collect that shelf one more time. Drop and then go. 95. Let's buy with them. let's start with 5. ES has got a lot of liquidity down there when you think about it. They didn't take it. Hmm. 92. Not so sure now. Yeah, the opening trade was good. We just got stopped on that. That's the problem. I don't know, this ES looks like it should go lower. Plenty of liquidity down here. On ES.
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
go short on ES. I think this is looking like a possibility. We had this opportunity to go high on Nasdaq, but they haven't done that.
Order filled.
So that means lower. $95, $92, $90. Man, that's Nasdaq. Okay, stop loss break even just in case it's gonna fucking rip now.
Order
Yeah.
filled. Order
Let's
filled.
try continuation to the downside. The 90 is still waiting down there, so
Stop ES sell.
We could go completely to the bottom. The pressure is down. The pressure is down, man. Pressure is down. ES has got
Stop
this
ES sell.
23 level. Level.
Stop NQ sell.
Come on, and continue.
Order filled.
Let's try. Let's
Order
see if
filled.
we're gonna. Oh, there you go. ES just
Stop ES sell.
took
Stop
the
Order
ES
filled.
sell.
liquidity. Okay, so that was it was a good trade. Plus $39. I just get a continuation. But he just took a lot of liquidity now when you think about it. Let me check what Nasdaq is doing. Nasdaq is empty unless we have this 450 down here, which could be reached. So
Order
I'm gonna
filled.
try for that low. Looks like everything is heavy. It's almost 11 o'clock.
Order filled.
But at the same time, if this fucking thing rips. Yeah, I don't like it already. I don't
Order
like that.
filled.
I don't like it. Okay. See what they're gonna do here. Around this level. Climbing back up. So they could now attack this high. They also could attack the high. But somebody's still stepping in here. Look at it. I want to push this lower. 95. Okay, liquidity.
Stop ES sell. Stop ES sell.
Order
Let's
filled.
try. final drop. 480. It's the order block here basically. Eight. Buyers are stepping in at 90. Okay, buyers are
Order
stepping in
filled.
at 90. Cannot be in this. They're pumping
Order
it,
filled.
going long, and a pullback and buying. I think we're gonna attack this 27 now.
According to the Financial Times, US
Order
freezes
filled.
export controls to secure trade deal with China.
Order filled.
So the US froze
Order
tech
filled.
exports to China in hopes of Xi meeting. Again, according to the Financial Times.
Possibly no.
Hello, everybody. This is Donald J. Trump. Yeah, it's really me. And I'm gonna
Been
do
waiting
a
for
little
that
ad
move.
for financial juice. You're behind the markets. If you're a
Into
real
the highs,
day
I mean, a
trader,
lot of
go
shorts.
real-time at
They start to hit these levels.
/purchase and save
We got
67% on a subscription. Can you believe it? Instead of a 67% tariff, you get a discount. It's huge. Very, very big. Very big. As big as my hands. Huge. Well, not as big as my hands. My hands are big.
Order filled.
What are you waiting for? Come on, do it.
Yes, it's
Reminder
dipping a
that
little bit.
Major News Wire putting out that FT piece about 11 hours later, but just as
Stop ES sell.
notify if you missed that then.
God damn it. Nasdaq doesn't have liquidity down here, so it's like 80s max. Still somebody is just trying to push that low. Hmm.
Order filled.
Squeeze now. Let's do that. Approaching 11:30. London boys are getting out at 11. Futures are closing at 11:30 in London. We are pretty much at the open. Haven't moved much. $500 liquidity waiting, and then 500 up to 510. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna sell 10 here. If for some reason market's gonna jump, because they do that all the time. I see it today. Well, looks like we're sliding along a little bit. 5 past. Okay. Let's go.
Order filled. Order filled.
Just gonna sell something
Order filled.
in case this will. 500. Okay, get out.
Order filled.
Try to buy it cheaper. Because it's quite a. Might pull back a little bit here. It's 85. Still waiting. I don't know, man. I don't know. Really choppy today. Really choppy. 480 waiting. That's how I see it. I see 480. Rejection here. You know what? I want to
Order
go
filled.
short here on the little scalp towards this 85. Nasdaq has got some liquidity down there as well. I mean, sorry, yes. Last minute on this candle should just pull the market lower. If it doesn't, then I'm out. 480, kind of thick, juicy down there.
Order
Let's
filled.
add. For the drop. Let's add for the drop into 80.
Pony AI gets permit to provide driverless robotaxis in
Right.
Shanghai.
Order
5 off.
filled.
$87. Could take something at 87 as well. A bit higher.
Welcome to Think with Bookmaps, where we trade futures in a blink with Bookmaps. And for that dough, you gotta think with Bookmaps. It's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps, it's Bookmaps. It's the moment you've all been waiting for. That's right. Everybody's favorite community, the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think
Little
Order
scalpel.
filled.
Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Think with Bookmaps,
Order filled.
Take it. Take the 0 in.
Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps, Think with Bookmaps community. Yeah, Think with Bookmaps community, man. It's the TWB community. It's the TWB community, man.
Look at it weak, man.
All these guys are saying where the females at, man. I'm saying, bro, what are you on about, man? I'm trying to trade futures in here, bro. We trade futures, man. This is futures trading. If you wanna go find a girlfriend, then go on Tinder, bro. Go on Tinder, go on Hinge. Go on some other app, bro. We trade futures in here. Think with Bookmaps community. It's the Think with Bookmaps community, man.
Fed bids for 6-month bills total $4.4 billion, and Fed bids for 2-year notes total $4.7 billion.
What's going on? Nothing. 90 is waiting. Could get a little scalp to the downside. But we just started new rotation, another 15 minutes, so probably not a good idea. They just grabbed at 15 minutes. We had a nice short. Now it looks like they could. Okay, they left at low. $25.
Order filled. Order filled.
Looks like they're going for it.
Order filled.
Stop ESL.
Yeah, he is hitting that. Just fix that pool low. Are we going to get this 80 on Nasdaq?
Order filled.
Probably going to stop me out by bouncing. Let's just grab something. There you go. ES just took that. No.
Stop NQ sell. Stop ES sell. Stop ES sell. Stop ES sell.
I'm happy with
Stop ES sell.
going
Order filled.
long on ES here. For long hold. Pretty okay with this.
Order
There
filled.
you go.
Sweep NQ sellers.
In a letter,
Stop
Senate
NQ
Democrats
sell. Stop
proposed
ES sell.
resuming China chip sales.
Stop
Again,
ES
Senate
sell.
Democrats proposed
Stop ES
resuming
sell.
China chip sales.
Stop
according
ES
to the
sell.
letter. Seeing some movement to the downside here from the S&P 500, just a little bit.
Order filled.
Yeah, just hit that. Yeah, that's okay.
Order filled.
It's gonna be a long hold now because
Well, it's
I
me
am
again.
thinking
It's Donald
that
J.
yeah, we should
Frickin'
still
Trump,
pump it.
okay?
There's a lot
And
of
if
people
you're
trying to buy
sick
that,
and
right?
tired of hearing my
And they
voice,
really
Iceberg
grab,
NQ buy.
which is pretty
Iceberg
really
NQ
grabbed a lot
buy.
of
all
liquidity.
you've got to do is go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Beautiful, big, huge discount. So what are you waiting for? Come on, do it.
50.
Data, pri high yield of 4.115%, and also a private cover
Stop ES
3.06.
sell.
So the senators, Democrat senators, pen a
Order
letter
filled.
to
All right,
London
that's it.
are resuming China chip sales.
That's it. That's enough. Basically hit that Thursday high.
Iceberg NQ buy. Iceberg NQ buy.
So it's taking a look at then the latest CFTC positioning data that shows speculators were net short 1.25 million 2-year note futures, a possible source of demand in the auction.
14 we have Alright, so I'm gonna leave that.
Iceberg NQ buy.
Let's scalp this with NQ now. I collected everything here.
US stocks move lower. S&P 500 down 0.05%, Dow down about 0.08%, and Nasdaq up 0.12%. So a reminder for the amount being sold by the US for the auctions. For the 6-month bill auction, the US is looking to sell $73 billion. For the 2-year notes, the US is looking to sell $69 billion.
Almost break even. There's always this question what to do next. Like, you got this at break even, and should I like flatten all and then wait for possibly a pullback. I mean, to get a better price, or was it just a panic sell and they're gonna climb it back up here immediately, and they're not gonna give you even pullback anymore, and they take it up and you pretty much done. You know, if you're not in it, you won't be able to get in. So I think I'm gonna hold this. Look at Nasdaq. Nasdaq is almost accepted back in the range. Just gonna scalp Nasdaq now. That's the target pretty much. It's, that place where we couldn't squeeze through. Now we have so many shorts. Look at that, man. It's just going. Yeah. That's okay, I'm gonna wait for a little pullback on Nasdaq. If I can get it to get in.
5 minutes ago, until we get the
Probably
US
missed
2
it.
note auction and 6-month bill auction, prior for the high yield for 2 years, 3.786%, prior bid cover of 2.58, 6 month with the prior high yield of 4.115%, prior bid cover of 3.06.
Got some auctions, so let's wait for the auction. I mean, doesn't matter really. So we got to 436. There's no liquidity down there, nothing. I'm gonna
Order
go long
filled.
here. Right now it's not the best place, but in my opinion that's the relentless buying now. Algo dropped, they collected everything, now they're just gonna be buying. And they will not let you in. Yeah, look at that. It's just going. I might actually hold that as well. Got that 80. That is a weekly high. Okay, it's pulling a little bit. I'm gonna add.
Order filled.
Yeah, so I've been trying to buy, you know, I did buy at the open. We got stopped on this thing. They pulled it low and they couldn't take that high. It was just... Now we basically took everybody who was buying. Whoever was in this area buying from the open. This is the open pink line. They gave back. And look at that, that's what I drawn before the open. The ES got a little bit lower than that. But that's pretty much what I was expecting. Down here, maybe here. I think down to the down move is already done. Now only up. Just need to go through that, and then we got a 500 waiting. $28 past. 2 more minutes.
So less than a minute to go now till we get the when
I want to be
Order
one.
filled.
I want to get in with one more. It's like very, very tiny drops. They keep buying it. There, you see that? Do you see this, Larry? There, you see this, Larry? This is what happens. This is what happens, Larry. You know the rest if you watched Big Lebowski. That's what happens, Larry, when you try to F a stranger in the A. Let's go, baby.
Win issue 3.925%, 3.925%
This
for
is
the 2 year.
relentless buying. This is what should happen now. Relentless buying. Yeah, a little bit of trap people here. I'm gonna take
Order
one
filled.
off. Just not to be too greedy. But I'm gonna hold at 10. I might take 10 off, 5 off somewhere here. Once we take this, let me show you something. 15 minutes. Okay, so the 15 minutes are here. Here, 15-minute tops. And here. Look at that, man. Here's a slower, more liquidity. Yeah, I mean, somebody's waiting at 55. Oh, but they are hoping, I think, because they placed the liquidity the moment we started to go up. So it's like a new liquidity waiting here. It's gonna be ignored. I noticed this on Bookmap when if you don't have like a long-term liquidity waiting,
Stop ES5.
they don't go for it. 500
Still
waiting.
expecting the 2 year data.
It's just close to here.
3.92%, 3.92%, and the bid cover 2.62 for the bid cover.
Let's ride that horse.
So the US selling $69 billion of 2 notes and awarding 58.
Yes, it's selling against something
Primary dealers take 10 spot, 3% of the US 2 notes sale.
during the auction.
Direct 34 spot, 37%, and indirect 55 spot, 33%. Stop through of 0.5 base points. Also with the 6-month bill auction data, the US selling $77 billion in 6-month bills at a high rate of 4.12%.
They're gonna make me close here, to be honest, because
It's at high
490
bid cover 3.36.
liquidity. It's just I didn't close. Are you going to squeeze higher? Back into this 90. The liquid is gone. So let's go to 490 again. It's just all about holding now.
US Treasury 2-year yield slightly pairs back increase after auction.
85. And then you look at the end of the day and it's like something like that. The same on Nasdaq. Up here, that's basically where they need to go, really. So, you know what, I'm not even going to take that here. I'm gonna wait for that level. Tick chart above zero line, ES and Q. Value area high, should reach that. $522. Yeah, into these highs. ES has got some work to do. But they do have a nice buy side liquidity. On the sell side has been taken already, so I need to remove that. Got buy side
Iceberg
here.
and Q sell.
Start hitting this. Fair value gap up here, just to be inverted. It was actually like that. Technically, we could sell something here into this fair value gap. So we got two levels of 15, and that is 35. Is it 35? No, it's not 35. So let's not do that. So I see liquidity up to 35. I'm gonna sell 5 here.
Germany's chance of merge.
And another one is
carries a
35.
significant burden on Germany's economy.
35 waiting. So we can sell the rest up here. Start squeezing. this obviously to take me out negative. Nasdaq. I'm kind of scalping Nasdaq, but it's a bit longer than scalp. I want to get that push. Maybe even view up. Struggling. They should keep it. After a drop like this, they're keeping it, and they keep adding, keep buying, and whoever is here on longs, they're basically giving, they're selling, somebody's buying it,
Also, White
others
House
are
says
buying,
EU
and they're
pledges
gonna go.
no electronic transmission tax and deal.
This is at least how I understand that situation here at that time after the drop.
Says White House's account on
It's
X,
always difficult.
posting about EU
to
deal
pass this.
details. Again,
Once we
EU
pass
pledges
that,
no
we're
electronic
going.
transmission tax and deal.
So a bit of liquidity if you look on the volume profile. See that? And let's just do that. So it's a problem. And there you go. I could pull back 490. We've been there. We've been there already. Well, let's see. Both ES and NQ are in exactly the same situation. If we squeeze through this right now, we're going. Like, we're really going. We can basically... Like, that's gonna be one leg, and there will be a second leg up here. $41 past. Good, I like somebody dropped this 82, they're gonna be buying it. Somebody just dropped the liquidity here under price. They're gonna be supporting the price. Hopefully they're gonna follow it as well. Trying to get involved. Trying to buy more. Come on, let's push this now.
Iceberg ES buy.
42 past. We are reaching 90
The White
again.
House just confirming that the EU is to buy $750 billion in US energy and invest $600 billion by 2028.
That's a good news again. A lot of good news. You would ask why market dropped. Because you bought it at the open, and they want you. They want your stop loss, so they can buy. Because of that. Well. It's always this dilemma. It's like sitting on $500 and it's like, should I take it? Then you take it and market goes. You don't take it, market drops. So I think they're gonna squeeze. Yeah, ES doesn't have any liquidity below. Nasdaq's just at 80 waiting something. But $45 soon. That's the pattern when they want to go higher. Like this time of the day when they grab liquidity, that's the moment when they're like, nah, yeah, there you go, let's go. Got this 500 waiting. Let's push. Okay, I'm gonna
Order
take
filled.
something because that's supposed to be scalping, right? On Nasdaq. Only yes, I can hold. We'll hold this as well.
Russia bans gasoline exports for producers through August.
Are you going to squeeze or what you going to do? Yeah,
Hello, everybody. This is
yeah,
Donald J. Trump. Yeah,
yes.
it's really me. And I'm gonna do a little advert for Financial Juice. You're behind the
Keep
markets. If you're a real day trader, go real time at financialjuice.com/purchase and save 67% on a subscription. Can you believe it? Instead of a 67% tariff, you get a discount. It's huge. Very, very big. Very big. As big as my hands. Huge. Well, not as big as my hands. My hands are bigger. What are you waiting for? Come on, do it.
Okay,
Order filled.
let's try to buy it cheaper here. There's a possibility that it will dip in. Ooh. Looks like I closed everything plus $700. Ah yeah, because when you hit that, god damn it, now it's gonna go. $25. don't want to get involved in this. I didn't want to close this. We get 25 again. On yes. Yeah, because flat all means you just close everything everywhere. I should have closed like that. Thank you. Yeah, well, let's see if we can get a little pullback or something. But there you go, man. It's going.
Stop ES5.
Yeah, that's something I didn't want to do. It's okay. They're just not gonna give it to you. Or we close somewhere here, so it's alright. Can try to ride.
Stop ES5.
And the target for that move would be at least this 15. Might get a little pullback. Yeah, I see liquidity in 90 waiting. I'll try to get in 5 here. Maybe at 90 we'll get that. So he has managed to climb into that fair value gap. Yeah, we didn't do it right because we missed 3 points, and that was additional $150 on it. I didn't want to close, but I did close it, so I pressed this flatten all button. So far pre-market I was expecting drop at the open down here, but we didn't get it. Oh, there you go. Maybe now, maybe now, maybe now. Let's go a bit lower. 92. No. Three more minutes. Can you please get me on board? Look at that. Almost. Well, actually, I'm gonna put that 5 there as well.
Order filled.
So we got hit on NQ. ES didn't do it. Just matched the entry. Well, let's see if we Give it one more try. You know what? It's 12 o'clock now. We might pull back a little bit.
Order filled.
It's just they took a little bit too long. We might get a pullback now. Usually when moves like this start, like keep going and
Stop and
we
Q
have
sell.
sold into this value gap. If you look at the volume profile on 5 minute, that's the low volume node. Still a lot of people trapped up here. Let's see if we're gonna get this pullback, how far it's gonna go. Yeah, it was a good decision. 77 waiting now. I like that.
Order filled.
85. Quickly just put that here because you never know, this Nasdaq is just so fast. 80. Yeah. Okay. If you stop me, it's fine. And if you go to this 80, go to that 80.
Order filled.
Yeah, nothing out of this trip. We just wanna try one more time.
Order filled.
I'm gonna try one more time to 80. Yeah. Probably lower than that. 82.
Order filled.
Okay. And we have 82 waiting. It's just a continuation trade. As we haven't grabbed liquidity, have we? Oh, we did on the 15-minute here. But we match this on here, on the yes. So are we going lower? Well, I'm gonna get trapped here. They have time on this rotation. It's just only 4 minutes, so
Order
I
filled.
think we will revisit bottom one more time on another candle. $85, $82. Fifteen seconds left on this candle.
Order filled. Order filled.
Continuation to the downside, I think. Come on. Let's just close this. One first minute on the 5-minute candle is a usual manipulation, but we have liquidity down to even $82. Just hit me. Just hit me now.
Order filled.
God damn it. Just go and grab that.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Ah, there you go. Around $100 on that. So there's a rotation. Let's just drop Fibonacci here and see what can we expect. 23, that's 50. Well, this place would be a good place to buy, obviously, if they want to get down there, but I don't think so. $80.77 waiting to get down there. So we took that 15 and there is another 15 down here. And there's another, yeah. Let me measure that drop. So we came back up to 70%. So that's optimum trade entry. Too short. $861 so far.
Stop ES sell.
According to sources, Taiwan President Lai Ching-te is set to delay proposed trip that included August stopover in the US.
Still waiting here. It's gonna be because we have some news tomorrow. Who knows how they're gonna play this? I mean, so far, these trap logs are trapped. We keep going lower. And the positive news. They dropped into this fair value gap now. Bullish fair value gap. On 5 minute. Let me have a look on volume profile.
Stop ES sell.
It's weak. It's weak. Okay, I think There's no point to continue unless we have a lunch now. And market, as you can see, market is just sitting, not doing much. Nasdaq is so empty. We might get down to this 460 at some point. We might push to 500. The momentum is gone. We got involved at the right place. I think I made one big mistake here. When where was that? It was here. When Nasdaq. That I mean, the first big mistake I made it was this. That when I was up a lot, because I got involved here, I bought something here. Same thing with ES. I was pretty much like $500 up, I think, on altogether. Should have taken out something, because what happened later, market just dropped and took me out. Or maybe, yeah, it was this drop after 10 o'clock. And they took me out, and then I was like, oh shit, so I started to short and they pulled it higher. So no, that was a mistake. But overall, $861, very difficult day. Look at this chop. Look at Nasdaq. Look what it does. It's like you cannot trade that. You had no right to make any money today with this chop. The only money you could have made was this, and this is where I actually made money.
Stop ES buy.
When I bought it. I bought that drop somewhere here. Yeah, we were buying into. We started to buy here. We kept adding all the way down. And a similar story with Nasdaq. I think I got involved somewhere here with Nasdaq. Yeah. We took a good ride around. I think it was like $250. Altogether 500 or something, and then few little scalps. Yeah, market is coming back up again. That could be a possibility to push towards this high. $350. 35 on ES.
Stop ES buy.
Well, look at Nasdaq. It's just. Look at Nasdaq. I mean, ES is looking more like they want to go. I think it's sold. Where did they sell? Somewhere here. Could have. So anyway. Yeah, already pushing towards this 500. So we could squeeze and continue higher. And we'll probably do that. 505. So I'm gonna
Order
try
filled.
and just get a little scalp here, because most likely we will. Oh, there you go. They did it.
Order
I just need to
filled.
get out immediately, because there's no guarantee we'll continue. Yeah. That doesn't mean we'll continue now. Nasdaq sold again into these highs. Big liquidity waiting down here. So, but that's early liquidity. We have been here already. They're just adding one more time. ES didn't sell, so we have SMT with Nasdaq, local SMT here, which means market might pull down one more time because of Nasdaq. But 5 of 5 waiting. Okay, so looks like they want to go as well.
Stop NQ buy. Stop NQ buy.
We did hit this. 5 of 5 on that Nasdaq. MNQ didn't hit it. Now it's going to do it. This is lunchtime, so they're often lunch
Stop ES buy.
breakouts. They just
Court
you got to
defines
break out,
these
but it will
for
fail
low-cost
and
goods for
take
now.
you down again. You got to break out. It will show you higher, but then it will take you lower. You know, somewhere here. Especially that we have not even reached the 15%. So that would be much better if we did this. View up. Because they have time. We could have a late the rally. We should have it. At least
Stop
into these
NQ
highs
buy.
here,
Stop ES buy.
I would say. That's like a magnet, because a lot of shorts was here. So yeah, I would like to see pullback somewhere here, 70%, 62, 70%, and then just keep running into this high. Yeah, into this level here. Similar story. Drop down here, take these longs, up there, something like that, and perhaps higher, as once we hit this, can go high. At the moment, failed breakout. Lunchtime failed breakout. Lots of buyers jumped on that. The market's gonna take them down here. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up here, and I might come back at 2 p.m. just to see what's happening. But I'm not promising that's gonna happen. Okay guys, so you have witnessed a live trading, winning and losing, and overall making $868. Decent day. And this is Trap Trader. Thanks for watching, and see you see you at 2 p.m. or maybe tomorrow. I think tomorrow. I will have a look. I will just check how market looks like, and if it is doing what I'm thinking, like this drop down here, and then we start to buy, I might come back.
Stop ES sell.
Take care. Bye.